Hello kitchen technicians, welcome back to this channel. Today's recipe is simple, different and tasty, and that's spaghetti and cheese. Please do like and share, and if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification. Now let's make this recipe. First, we are going to chop our vegetables. We will dice our garlic, already peeled and washed. Remember, our ingredients are all prepped and washed. Next is to dice our full white onion just like this, and then we'll chop our half purple onion. Now we'll proceed with our green bell pepper. We are going to dice half of it like this and chop the rest, which is the other half, into this size or bigger. Go ahead and chop your one yellow bell pepper and set it aside. We'll then chop up our half carrots like this. Remember, most of your veggies must be chunky in this recipe. It's very important, guys. This will help relish each flavor coming from these veggies. You will love it in your spaghetti and cheese, trust me. Set the chopped carrots aside and slice your 2 tomatoes like this, or any shape you prefer. But remember, chunky does it. Okay guys, now let's get our 6 eggs ready. What we'll do is to get a nice bowl where we'll break our eggs into. So one by one, we'll break all the 6 eggs into our bowl. It's all done and ready for whisking, so let's whisk it very well and keep aside to fry and ready. The next step is to fry the eggs, so we'll pour 1 tablespoon of oil in our heated skillet and spread it in the skillet just like this. When the oil is heated enough, pour in your eggs and let it stay a bit. Get your spatula and begin to shred. Tear it up good, but not too much. Remember, the spaghetti and cheese meal needs chunky, right? It's done now, so we'll pour it into a bowl and set it aside. We'll then put 1 teaspoonful of salt and then add some 1 tablespoon of oil in. Bring to a boil. When it boils, we'll put in our 500 grams of spaghetti in the water, stir and allow it to cook for some time. Check on it again and stir. The cook time for this spaghetti is 7 minutes, so make sure to get it off heat in about 7 minutes. Strain it and set it aside. It will join other ingredients to make us our yummy spaghetti and cheese meal. Guys, what are the recipes you have made with spaghetti, and how different are these recipes from this spaghetti and cheese recipe? Please share with us in the comment section. Thanks so much. Now we'll place our skillet back on the heat and pour in a half cup of oil. Let the oil heat up. Next, we'll pour in our diced white onion and diced green bell pepper. Let it fry for a while and turn it around with your spatula from time to time. When the onions turn transparent, add your chopped carrots in and stir for a while. Go ahead and pour your sardine in and stir for about a minute. Add your cooked spaghetti next, but don't stir yet. Add your chopped green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Proceed with adding your spices. This is 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon mixed spice, half teaspoon ginger powder, red chili powder, that is half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt. Now we are going to give this a good stir. Stir fry this very well for about 3 minutes. It's time now to add our purple onion to the meal. Do so and continue stir frying for another good 3 minutes. We'll then add 1 teaspoonful lemon juice and continue stir frying for a minute. Let's add half teaspoon turmeric to take the color of our meal up a notch. Stir fry a bit and pour in 2 sliced tomatoes and our shredded eggs together. Give it another good stir fry. Cover up to fry for a bit. Check on it at this point. You can taste and adjust your salt and or spices. I think this spaghetti and cheese needs a little more salt. Stir again and proceed with adding 1 cup of shredded cheese. Spread the cheese on your meal just like this and cover up. Leave it on low heat for about 10 minutes so that the cheese can melt. And guys, we now have ourselves some delicious meal. This spaghetti and cheese is so delicious, trust me. It will do well as breakfast, lunch or dinner. Just make this for the whole family and you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Do join me again on my next recipe in my next video. And please do not forget to like and share, subscribe and hit the bell. I have left the ingredient list just for you. Please do check that out. Thank you very much. And thanks a lot for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye.